3, 2, 1.
What are the black sonatas called? The answer is A. Pips. What is the main concern of existentialism? The answer is A. The meaning of life. What type of coat features large lapels and is often worn for formal occasions? The answer is D. Overcoat. What vein is usually the first choice when selecting a site for venipuncture? The answer is C. Median cubital. Which animated show features the adventures of a squirrel named Scrat? The answer is C. Ice Age. Which is the largest desert by area? The answer is A. Sahara Desert. Bud Abbott and Lou Costello were a comedy team that lasted for 20 years, from the 1930s through the 1950s. What famous baseball routine are they best known for? The answer is B. Who's on first? What is the highest elevation country in the world? The answer is C. Tibet, China. What is the largest jungle in the world? The answer is A. Amazon rainforest. According to Geoffrey of Monmouth's History of the Kings of England, King Arthur was the king of which realm? The answer is D. Britain. What is the unit of charge in the International System of Units C? The answer is A. Coulomb. Which game has a villain known as Ganondorf? The answer is C. The Legend of Zelda. What contains the spore-forming acai? The answer is A. The ascocarps. What popular cartoon character is known for constantly wearing a Phrygian cap? The answer is C. The Smurfs. Which Greek goddess was the goddess of wisdom, warfare, justice, and strategic warfare? The answer is A. Athena. What was the historical name of the president, portrayed by Martin Sheen on the TV drama The West Wing? The answer is A. Josiah Bartlett. What is the name of the Spanish treat which is made by deep-frying Jew pastry? The answer is A. Churros. What's a pouch used to store small items called? The answer is C. Pencil case. Which of these is not a set operation? The answer is D. Projection. Who first described the five-factor model of personality? The answer is D. Costa and McCree. What is the fundamental unit of electric charge? The answer is D. Ampere. The Iroquois nation of North America call themselves Haudenosaunee. What does this literally mean? The answer is B. They are building a long house. What is the largest rodent in the world? The answer is C. Capybara. Which cartoon features characters like Bugs Bunny and Porky Pig? The answer is A. Looney Tunes. The movie To Sir with Love stars Sidney Poitier as a teacher confronted with a class of arrogant and provocative students. In what city is the movie set? The answer is D. London. The word Astasia means which of the following? The answer is C. The inability to stand up. What is the study of the relationship between electricity and chemical reactions called? The answer is A. Electrochemistry. What excuse did Ferguson use when he was crying on the stand in the movie Sleepers? The answer is C. I was drinking then. Which company developed the operating system Android? The answer is C. Google. What are two types of frozen precipitation? The answer is A. Snow and hail. Which capital city has the highest population in Africa? The answer is B. Kinshasa. The national language of India is? The answer is A. Hindi. What kind of planet do we consider Ceres to be? The answer is B. Dwarf planet. What were the names of George Washington's two stepchildren? The answer is B. Jackie and Patsy. Which electronic component is used to store electric energy? The answer is B. Capacitor. What is the primary unit of data transfer on the Internet? The answer is A. Byte. Controlled variables are kept to prevent them from influencing the effects of the independent variable on the dependent variable. The answer is B. Constant. What type of precipitation is hail? The answer is A. Rain. Which is likely to be hotter? The answer is A. Steaming coffee. In the movie The 40-Year-Old Virgin, Andy has a framed rock poster on the wall. What rock group is depicted on the poster? The answer is B. Asia. Which of these best describes the moon? The answer is B. Smaller than Earth. Which top bridge player from India stimulated the development of bridge during the 60s and 70s? The answer is C. Zia Maywood. Who played the role of James Bond from 1987 to 2002? The answer is A. Pierce Brosnan. Which instrument is the main part of a jazz band's rhythm section? The answer is B. Drums. What war was the UK involved in during Margaret Thatcher's tenure as Prime Minister? The answer is B. The Falklands War. Which author wrote Foundation's Edge? The answer is D. Isaac Asimov. Which game features a character named Aloy? The answer is B. Horizon Zero Dawn. The Oort cloud, a spherical shell of icy bodies, is believed to extend up to how many light years from the Sun? The answer is C. 1,000. Which of the following is the primary way that evergreen trees planted on the north and west sides of residences in Massachusetts help reduce winter heating costs? The answer is D. They act as a windbreak. What are genes composed of?